Welcome back to our video tutorial series where we'll show you how to use the new effects button. Next we have the wave generator. This effect will create waveforms as analog outputs. Analog outputs such as a servo DMX or dimmer pack. I'm just using a dimmer pack in this example. So first select any number of outputs. I'm going to take 3. Click Effect, click Wave Generator, and as you can see in the background it immediately generates the first preset, which is a default, a sine wave. You have a new number of options that can affect the wave. First off is the amplitude. The amplitude would change the height of your wave. Next is frequency, how often the wave repeats. Starting position will shift the wave left and right, so you can have your wave start at any point in the wave. I want it to start at the 0 point down here. Next is the offset. The offset will change the vertical position of the wave. So if you wanted to vertically center your wave, you would just adjust your offset. Finally, the multi-row offset. This offset is relative to the previous wave. It's measured in degrees. So here I have set to 60 degrees. The second wave is 60 degrees offset from the first one, and the third wave is 6 degrees offset from the second one. I'll bring up the virtual console so you can see the outputs here in this demo. It acts almost like an analog version of the chaser effect. Now, let's move on to the triangle wave. Again, the options are very similar to each other, just with a different wave being generated. There you go. Now the square. I'll show you a sample output of the square wave. The triangle wave is very similar to the sine wave, but with a not as smooth motion. You can see it's almost like a digital chaser program. And that's it for the wave generator.